Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Preppy prom style is all about combining classic polished looks with a youthful fun twist. It's the perfect blend of timeless elegance and contemporary trends, making it an ideal choice for those who want to stand out while still looking chic and sophisticated at prom. Here is a guide to nailing the preppy prom look, ensuring you make a statement on your big night. The cornerstone of a preppy prom look is the dress. Opt for styles that are clean, structured, and elegant, but don't shy away from the playful details. A classic A-line dress is universally flattering and exudes preppy charm. Look for designs with a cinched waist and a flared skirt, which will create a beautiful feminine shape. Incorporate preppy patterns like plaid or gingham into your prom dress. Plaid prom dress, especially in softer hues like pastels or classic colors like navy and red, and can add a unique twist to the traditional prom look. Dresses with lace, overlays, or bows accents and add a sweet preppy touch. These details are classic and add an extra layer of sophistication to your prom ensemble. For a more conservative preppy look, opt for a dress with cape sleeves or a high neckline. These styles are elegant and give off a polished vibe without being overly formal. Accessories are key to completing your preppy prom look. Focus on pieces that are understated yet chic and that complement the clean lines of your dress. Nothing says preppy like pearls, whether you opt for a simple strand of pearls, pearl drop earrings, or a pearl bracelet. This classic accessory will add a touch of elegance to your prom outfit. A structured clutch in a neutral color or with a subtle pattern like stripes or plaid is a perfect complement to a preppy prom dress. Opt for a clutch with a gold or silver clasp for a more polished finish. A satin or velvet headband can add a touch of preppy charm to your hairstyle. Choose a headband in coordinating color to your dress in a classic preppy pattern like stripes or polka dots. Your shoes should complement your preppy prom dress while adding a touch of classic elegance. Kitten heels are a preppy staple. They are comfortable enough to dance in all night and add a touch of sophistication to any prom look. Opt for a pair in a classic look colored like nude, black, or navy. If heels are not your thing, bollet flats are a great preppy alternative. Choose a pair with a pointed toe for a dressier look or go for flats with a bow or embellishment for playful touch. Mary Jane heels or flats are another great option for a preppy prom look. Their retro style adds a charming, youthful touch to your outfit. Your hairstyle is an important part of your preppy prom look. Opt for styles that are sleek, polished, and elegant. A sleek low ponytail is a simple yet chic hairstyle that pairs perfectly with the preppy prom dress. Secure it with a satin ribbon that matches your dress for a cohesive look. Soft, loose waves are classic and romantic, making them a great choice for prom. Add a side part of a more polished look and consider adding a hairpin or beret for an extra touch of glamour. A half up, half down hairstyle strikes a perfect balance between casual and formal. Add a touch of volume at the crown for a more polished look and secure with bow or clip. Your makeup should enhance your natural beauty while keeping with the clean, polished look of preppy style. Start with a fresh, dewy base. Use a lightweight foundation or tinted moisturizer. Let's and that lets your natural skin shine through. Add a touch of highlighter on the high points of your face for a subtle glow. A soft pink or nude lipstick is perfect for a preppy prom look. Opt for a matte or satin finish for a more sophisticated vibe. If you are going to prom with a date, coordinating your outfit can add an extra touch of preppy charm. If your dress is a soft pastel, your date could wear a matching tie or pocket square. Classic preppy colors like navy, soft pink, or green are great options. A preppy prom look is all about embracing classic styles with a fresh, youthful twist. By combining tailored dresses, polished accessories, and timeless patterns, you can create a look that's both elegant and playful, whether you opt for a plaid dress, a pearl necklace, or a pair of wallet flats. These elements will ensure you look preppy and chic for your big night.